Hello everyone, today I will show you how to convert PDF to Excel document and make single worksheet for the document. Open your PDF file with Adobe Acrobat. Now select Tools and select Export PDF and select Spreadsheet and select Microsoft Excel Workbook. Now click on the setting icon and here you will find this create single worksheet for the document. Also you can say this decimal, you can choose customizable and recognize text if need. You can say this recognize text if you want and simply select OK. Now select export and choose the save folder destination desktop and select OK. Wait for a few seconds and see this. Our Excel file now created and this is only one document and all of this page is now created in this one single document. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.